back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining. My name is Jasrina, and today I wanted to share with you an awesome product that I just got. It is called an Upcycle Easy Cut Bottle Cutter. You can purchase this on Amazon, and I'll have the link down below so you can go check it out yourself. This item comes with a bottle cutter, a heat gun, a pair of gloves, also sandpaper. And this is all you need to cut bottles, and it's so easy, and I'm excited to share with you guys all the stuff that I've made using it. If you're interested in seeing what I made, please keep on watching. The first thing that would come to mind is, yes, cutting a bottle, and you can make your own vase, and I have done so right here. I cut these bottles and made like a taller vase and then a shorter vase right here with a bigger wine bottle. The next item is obviously a cup. Now, if you can get to cut it really nice and straight, then this is perfect as like a drinking glass. And it has the design and everything. This one is not like peelable, so it's in it. You can use it, wash it, and all that stuff. So you just sand it out as much as you can to smooth it out. And right now it's literally like a regular glass. This right here, I saw on Pinterest, right? They showed a ball and then, you know, on a wine bottle. Now with the cutter, I tried cutting a little bit towards the top of the wine bottle, but it wasn't close enough to cut. But this sofrito bottle that I cut and it's the same size as the ball right here, so you can literally store whatever you want and just pop the ball on top. And I think this is so nice, and to reuse like a regular jar, it's really nice. And my favorite is candle holder tabletop display. This right here, I bought this from Michael's, and I put a candle in there, and all you have to do is put the top of the wine bottle. And I was trying to look for a taller pillar so that it looks like the same size of the bottle, but I cut the bottle too short and the base is short, so it kind of looks like a shortened version of the wine bottle, but you know, yeah, it still looks nice. Now you can also use regular candle holder pillars right here and still just put a bottle on top. You can keep the labels if you want, and it'll still look nice. Or you can keep it clear, depending on how you like it. You can paint these if you want to paint them, and I just think this looks really, really different and unique, and people will definitely talk about it. Be careful after you light the candle and you put this cover on, this top part right here can get really, really hot, so be careful. Just grab it from this end right here to lift it up if you want to lift up the bottle. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy these DIY tutorials. Let me know which one's your favorite. Is it this candle holder with the bottle on top, or the sofrito bottle with the ball on top for easy storage? And I hope you guys check out the bottle cutter yourself if you want to make these awesome DIYs. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye!